Okay, hey there, I got a 1980 FJ40 turn signal issue that I am trying to solve. I'll just start with pulling my hazards. Those seem to be working just fine. Go to the front of the rig. I got both working, and the rear's working as well. Okay, so let's turn those off. Let's put the key in. And left blinker. Working good. That is working. Okay, right blinker. Yeah. I get a click, it stays on, and the light just stays on. No blinking. I have cleaned up all this wiring, checked the ground. It's got a good ground in the housing. Seems to be no split in the wire that might be an issue. Again. Oh, and I have also taken apart my turn signal assembly. I've cleaned up the connector in here, and I've ensured kind of this is all making a good positive connection. So I've also, you can see I have taken the cover off my relay and just wondering if it is the relay, but since both my flashers are working, and my left is working, I'm not convinced it's the relay, and I don't want to spend $60 for a new relay and waste that. Or maybe I can fix this original relay somehow. I'm not an electrical specialist by any means, but if there's something simple or I can clean up or a loose connection, I'm open to trying it. Okay. I hope this video helps. I'll post it on Mud and see what happens. Okay, thank you.